Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of mug cake which you can bake in 1 minute. We need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 pinch of vanilla powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I took a mug and I will add all the dry ingredients first. Now mix them well. Add 3 tablespoons of milk. And 2 tablespoons of oil. Now mix for about 1 minute. As you can see, we need this consistency. Now I will bake it in microwave for about 1 minute. As you can see, our mug cake is ready. I will garnish it with sugar powder. It's really looking delicious. Try it at home, it's really easy to make. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.